Walk down the toy aisle in any big box store, and what you're going to see is a girls' aisle dedicated towards domestic roles. Toys around taking care of babies, cooking, cleaning, makeup, looking better. When you walk down the boys' toy aisle, you're going to see a drastically different selection. Toys that are construction based, toys that are building visual spatial skills, toys, robots, and AI, and wildly ambitious toys of let's build a spaceship and go to the moon. Not only are these toys communicating very different social messages to kids, but they're also working on very different parts of the brain. And unfortunately, those girls' toys are not targeting foundational skills in science, tech, engineering, and math. My name's Amy Tanner. I'm a PhD and professor specializing in early childhood brain development, as well as the co-founder and CEO of Ace and Riley. We're a woman-owned and operated company based in my basement in Vancouver, Canada, and we're specializing in making more cognitively enriching, brain boosting toys aimed towards girls during the critical brain development period. Thank you.